CBS Austin News at 10 starts now. For the first time since March, Jerry Hernandez appeared in a Bastrop courtroom today. He's who Texas DPS says was behind the wheel of a cement pump truck that hit a Hayes CISD school bus and a following car, killing 2 people, including a pre-K student. Court documents say Hernandez admitted to consuming marijuana and cocaine in the hours before the crash. Now prosecutors are presenting this case to a grand jury tomorrow and hoping they return an indictment. CBS Austin's Abigail Velez reviews some of the evidence they'll be working with and explains the likelihood of that happening.
Lives have changed forever, and most of all, equally as important, it didn't have to happen.
It was March 22nd when the Texas Department of Public Safety says Jerry Hernandez, the driver of a cement pump truck, veered into oncoming traffic on State Highway 21 in Bastrop County. In the next lane, a Hayes CISD school bus carrying more than 40 people, most of them pre-K students.
Any kind of an impact in that situation with those high speeds is catastrophic.
5-year-old Ulises Rodriguez Montoya and 33-year-old Ryan Wallace were killed in the crash. Weeks later, DPS arrested Hernandez for criminally negligent homicide. Now, a grand jury is set to meet Tuesday to determine if and when a criminal trial against Hernandez should proceed.
The likelihood of the grand jurors in this case voting to criminally indict this truck driver are really very, very high. I would estimate over 90%.
Quentin Brogdon is a former prosecutor and personal injury attorney in Texas. He says there's a long list of evidence against Hernandez that prosecutors could present to jurors in criminal court.
Some of the most compelling evidence in this case, no doubt, will be the dash cam video and the so-called black box downloads that show the speed of the vehicles and application of brakes or absence of application of brakes.
Dash camera video from inside of the school bus shows the seconds Hernandez veered into the lane next to him, hitting the school bus head on. Also at play, Hernandez's admission to authorities that he consumed marijuana and cocaine just hours before the crash and only got 3 hours of sleep. Pending a decision from the grand jury, the criminal case could move forward alongside several civil cases against Hernandez and the company he worked for, FJM Concrete.
The criminal trial probably would occur and be over in just days. The civil case, because it involves damages, would be a longer case.
Abigail Velez, CBS Austin News.